Gareth here.
And Janet.
From Port Monkeys, and we just got off Holland America's Eurodam, that ship right there. There are a couple other ships in port today, actually 3. Princess, another Holland America, and there's a celebrity behind our ship. We're in Juneau, Alaska, and that's Tracy's Crab Shack, so we're parked right next to it. If that's what you want to do. A lot of people ask about Tracy's Crab Shack and the prices. The 3-pound bucket, which comes with some sides, was $220 in today, September. So whatever that means to you. Princess. So we're gonna go through this empty parking lot and up Franklin Street. This is like the main tourist shopping area. It's also the historic town. I mean, this is like the original Juneau here. So I would imagine every single one of these buildings had a different purpose at one time. But I don't know, because I didn't do my research. You should, though. We're just going to walk up to the Red Dog Saloon. I'll point out some things as we go. Like flowers. Cars driving up and down. Franklin Street is not closed to vehicles. So remember that. So, Capital City Mercantile, a jewelry store, a fur store, all sorts of stores. And this has a sign on it, everything must go. It's the end of the season sale. So I don't know if you're interested. Right here is a parking structure, and the top of it is the public library, and it has public restrooms. So if you need that, there's another library up through town there, a new modern thing, and a museum, and it has public restrooms too. I know for a fact. So we're gonna walk up. There's the Red Dog Saloon. There's the fur gallery still. We haven't got that far yet. We're gonna cross here, but we don't want to get run over. So we're gonna wait, we're gonna wait, we're gonna wait, and then we're gonna go. More flowers. Now I'm trying not to damage these. Oh, I'm trapped. Guess we're gonna go this way. No, I thought I was gonna walk through them. Anyway, here's Erlinda's gift shop. Now remember, like half these shops are locally owned and the other half are owned by the cruise ships or big conglomerates. I mean, so I don't know if that matters to you, but you could ask inside who owns this store. Red Lady Jewels and Curios. Santa's Workshop. So here's the famous Red Dog Saloon, and we're just gonna walk inside there. Somebody's taking a picture, so we're gonna go around. And they're playing some loud music in there. And I guess we're just gonna go this far. So, sawdust on the floor, and a bouncer at the door. He wasn't there earlier. We came here earlier. So if that's your thing, that's the place. Jewelers International, Iceberg Jewels and Gifts. Of course, we crossed the street, so we're on the other side now. Another jewelry store. It looked like they're closing or something. It was all empty in there. Mostly empty. The Billiken gift shop. Taku trading. Decker Way. But this is Juneau. I mean, maybe you want to book a tour. Otherwise, you're just going to walk around town. Now, I went into this place earlier, and they told me don't record. No, it wasn't this place. But here's a gift shop. Maybe it was this place. We've been here, you know, all day. I walked in one of these stores. They said, "Don't record in here." So I said, "I'm just trying to promote your store." But I guess he didn't care. Alaskan Brewing Company. But that's a gift shop or a clothing store. So I don't know where the brewing takes place exactly. So Franklin Street, of course, it goes down that way where we came from, and it goes up and up and up. When you get up there a little further, it's a residential area. I'm going to walk up a little further and then say goodnight. Lucky lady. Okay. Alaskan Gifts and Collectibles. I got one of those. I think you should shop there because they waive. I think we're going to stop right here. You can get these people to drive you around. I think they can go around. No, they had to stop too. So the shopping area ends right up there. The Devil's Brewery is up there though. I think that's what it's called. Is that what it's called? So from Juneau, Alaska, this is Gareth and
Janet.
Say
Port Mackey's out.
see you in
the next port.
Bye from Juneau.
Bye.